Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna present to you a new website called HostNine, like you see over here with me in Google. So first thing, like usual, let me give you a short idea about what this is site. The HostNine is a web hosting provider that offers a range of hosting services for individuals and businesses. So to get started with HostNine, simply head on over to HostNine or HostNine.com in Google, and this is all the results I got. Like you see, there is a lot of results. You see, it's at least 61 thousands results. We need this one, the official sites, HostNine. Let's click on it. So this is the present page for the HostNine. If you have already an account, you will just put your email address here and the password here, and just you're gonna log in. If this is the first time for you in this website, like me, you will create an account over here. Let's click on create an account. Okay, let's place an order with them to create an account. So there is different orders right here, and there is no the free trial in this website. You need to put an order to create an account. Okay, let's try with the personal hosting plan, because there is 3 plans over here: the personal hosting plan, the enterprise hosting plan, and the businesses hosting plan with different prices like you see over here. So let's order and different services. Every plan presents you different services than the other. Let's order. To choose a domain, you will create your domain here. If you has a new domain in your brain, or transfer your domain from another register, or you will use your existing domain and update my or your name service. Okay, I have already one, so I will just write it here and use it. So the second step is the configure your desired option and continue to check out. The personal hosting plan, our personal shared hosting, is geared towards any user looking to host a single website easily and efficiently. This is the detail and the services that this plan it will present to you. You will choose how month price you will pay in 1 month or 6 months, 12 months, and others. Let's choose this one. And the website location. There is none, central, east, west. Okay, let's click on the central and one over here. And then you will just add it to your card. The third step is the review and the checkout. You need to enter the promo code if you have one. If you don't have, just skip it, and then you will just check out. The last step is this. So you need to enter your first name, the email address, and be careful. This information should be correct and valuable. And example, the first name and the last name, you need to write it like it's written on the card. The last name, the phone number with the 3 numbers before your phone number. It's independent to the country that you live in. And the information about the billing address, the company, it's optional. If you don't have one, just skip it. Then you need to enter the street address and the second street address, and after that the city, and here you will select the province, then the postcode or the zip code, and then the country. It's already in United States. Okay, the monthly A newsletter, you will choose from monthly company newsletter, monthly regular newsletter, or no. The VAT type, okay, the personal is the best one, but it's independent to you. And VAT business's name, and then the VAT business's activity. You will just choose the activity that you do, and then the password over here that you choose the first time in the account, and then you will confirm it. Okay, and then you will generate the password from here, like you see with me. This step is help you in the security measures. The HostNine implements security measures such as firewalls, malware scanning, and SSL certificated to protect your website and data from unauthorized access and online threats. Okay, and then you will just complete the order. So let's, and before that you will or you need to click on this button here. That mean by clicking complete order you are agreeing to HostNine's auto renewal policy, term of service, cancellation policy, and you acknowledge receipt of our privacy notice. You also agree to have your personal information transferred and stored in the United States, which is necessary to provide you with services under our agreement with them, that means with you guys. And let's come back to the official sites to know more about this website. So we have, let me give you some information about this site. So the HostNine provides round-the-clock customer support to assist you with any host-related issue or questions. Support can be accessed through various channels like live chat, phone, and support tickets. And all of this you can find it just if you contact them and read the term of services. And the HostNine OC, and other offers a website builder tool or integration with popular website builders, making it easier with your to create and design your website without requiring coding knowledge. And also we have here, like you see, the security measure and the one-click install. The HostNine provide one-click installation for popular applications like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. This simplifies the process of installing and setting up this application on your hosting account. And that's all on our website today. I hope you understand me. If you get it, please subscribe and follow for more. So like usual, bye bye to the next video and the next websites.